are going to discuss about reproduction in organisms. So reproduction in organisms means what, sir? Reproduction, every living organism without a reproduction, they cannot continue the race, means next generation to next generation. Reproduction is compulsory to continue the race. Of course, if reproduction not available for particular organism, that organism is going to exist. That organism going to exist extinct in the world. So how, sir? Before going to that, I will say lifespan. Lifespan means the period from birth to natural death. Period from birth to natural death. Period between from birth to natural death is called lifespan. Lifespan. Every living organism having certain lifespan. Human beings also having certain lifespan. Nowadays 65-70 years. Early 10-100 years. Lifespan. So lifespan is nothing but defined lifespan. Sometimes question. So it's a period between from birth to natural death is called lifespan. So lifespan is not correlated with their sizes. Means lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. Very important. Lifespan is not correlated with their sizes. Correct. Lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. Also correct. Meaning of that one, sir. For example, what you think a small organism having less or short lifespan, but large organism having long lifespan, is it wrong? So means of that, the lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. For example, I will show here. For example, elephant, you take elephant. Elephant is a large size, but having lifespan 50 to 70 years. 50 to 70 years. Then parrot, small in size, but their lifespan is 140 years. So lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. Some students, chota, smaller size organism having big lifespan. They thought like that. No, not at all. That is also I am going to prove. Parrot, small in size, 140 years. Then same cow, parrot to cow, both are same, color only different. Parrot is a 140 years, cow is a 22 years. So meaning of that, lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. Lifespan is not depend upon their sizes. For example, here some organism, even plants and some animals are there. Lifespan of those things. Rose plant, 5 to 7 years lifespan. Rice plant, Oryza sativa. So it is having 3 to 6 months or 7 months, no problem. 3 to 6 months. Means it's an annual plant. Banana, 2 to 3 years. Some book 20 to 25 years they were given. But mainly you consider 2 to 3 years banana lifespan. Banyan tree, 200 years. Some books 2000. About 200 years. Banyan tree. So actually the plant which complete their lifespan within 1 year, that's called annual. The plant, they complete lifespan within 2 years, biennial plant. More than 2 years, perennial plant. So banyan tree is a perennial plant. More than 200 years. Dog, lifespan is 22 years. Butterfly, 1 to 2 weeks. Fruit fly, 2 weeks, about 2 weeks. Means 15 days to 30 days. Fruit fly. Drosophila melanogaster, very important. Fruit fly. Don't confuse. Butterfly 1 to 2 weeks. Fruit fly 2 weeks means about 2 weeks. 15 to 30 days. Parrot 140 years. Crocodile 60 years lifespan. Horse 60 years lifespan. Tortoise 100 to 150 years lifespan. Then crow 15 years. Then cow lifespan 22 years. Elephant lifespan is 50 to 70 years. This is the lifespan of the different organisms. Lifespan of the different organisms. Question sometimes need question. Which of the following organism having highest lifespan? Highest lifespan. देखो यहाँ option A Rose. B. Rice. C. Banyan. D. Banana. Question, some such type of question. So which of the following having highest lifespan is banyan tree, 2000 years. Sometimes questions how they chance to ask, sometimes identify the correct order, ascending order of the lifespan. Ascending order of the lifespan, I will give here. Ascending order. For example, ascending order. Parrot less than crocodile less than crow less than cow. Identify the correct order. Then B option, cow. Next crow. Next parrot. Next crocodile. Next option C, crow, cow, crocodile. Option D, parrot. So option D, no one answer. Identify the correct ascending order. Ascending, may chance to ask. Ascending order. Identify the correct ascending order of the lifespan. So identify the correct ascending. Ascending means chota se bada. So for this, for example, parrot 140. 140, crocodile how much? We were here na? Crocodile 60 years. So A 140 to 60. No, it's wrong. It's not ascending order. Cow how much? 22 years. Okay. Crow how much it is? 15. A 15 to 12 to 20 to 15. It's not correct order. Crow 15. Cow 22. Crocodile 60. Parrot 140. This is the correct order. Identify the correct sequence. So identify the correct ascending order of the lifespan of the organism. Questions. Or descending order of the lifespans. That is also question. Then every living organism, how they have life, how they have birth. Definitely death will be also there. Death will be. No organism is immortal. Very, very, very important. No organism is immortal. Except unicellular organism. Sir, why sir except unicellular organism? Sir, you said na every organism is going to die. Yes, definitely. Except unicellular. Immortal means natural death. So unicellular organisms are immortal. Unicellular organism not having natural death. Why sir? For example, this is unicellular organism. Unicellular organism then divides and produces two offsprings. This is unicellular, single cellular. Unicellular organism divides and produces two offsprings. So the parent cell, this is a parent. The parent cell continue their life in the form of offsprings. That's why there is no natural death. Parent only divided into two offsprings. So the parent life is continuing in the form of offspring. So then this is also going to produce two offsprings. So that's why the parent having no natural death. So unicellular organisms are immortal. Very, very important. No organisms are immortal except a unicellular organism. The above statement is A true, B false, sometimes true, sometimes false, neither true nor false. Answer true. So very important one here. No organism immortal except unicellular. Why sir? Unicellular organisms divides, parent cell divides and produce two offsprings. Then parent cell life is continuing in the form of offspring. Whatever the process, that is binary fission, anything. But parent life is continuing in the form of offspring. That is the main reason for immortal of unicellular organism. Example, bacteria, paramecium, protozoans, amoeba, anything, unicellular organism. That's nothing but lifespan and immortal.